Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike. Mi ò ní lọ síbi kan bàbá wọn tá tán délẹ̀. I don't care what they say.
Nigeria, our beautiful nation. Nigeria is home to over 236 million citizens, which makes us the most populous country in Africa and the 6th most populous country in the world.
We have over 250 ethnic groups in Nigeria. The main ones are Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa.
Each tribe has its own unique culture, history, and tradition, which shows our strength in diversity.
From our food to music,
to fashion,
festivals, and much more,
Nigeria is known to be home to amazing local dishes.
Barka da samu 'yancin kasa da FiberOne.
N'ụbọchị unu were onwe unu, ekele dịrị unu.
Aku ọdún òmìnira orílẹ̀-èdè wa.
While diversity is our strength, it's our unity that truly defines us as Nigerians.
At FiberOne, we take pride in offering seamless internet connectivity that fuels these connections,
Bridging our rich diversity and fostering unity from Nigeria's biggest fiber broadband provider.
Happy Independence Day!